What's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy, One Deuce, and I'm here live with the National Cannabis Festival VIP box, baby. Coming to you, 421, National Cannabis Festival.
Smoking on that dope should get me closer to the gods. I'm just blazing the kush when I'm trying to fight the odds. Balancing the scale as I'm trying to excel. Rolling woods in the back when it's time to exhale. Ain't got no time for a dime, it's not enough for my lungs. And if it's not the fattest nugs, then I don't want none. I need that sticky icky, had me coughing, looking dumb. Homeboys asking, boss, where you get that from? I tell them if the price is right, then you can get some. No whammy, no bushwhack where I come from. But you gotta come correct with your donation. You get the finest terpenes with them glistening trichomes. Delighted with Supreme Dro to blow in your home. Or phone up the homies cause it's too potent alone. Pre-roll funky piece real low with a bone rim. It really don't matter just as long as you get your blunt paper leaf and just roll up. Light a torch or the rig, what's the whole
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all already know what it is. We right here live at One Love headquarters. We about to do this National Cannabis Festival reveal box, baby. Let's see what kind of goodies we got for the people this year. There we go, NCF official VIP member. Welcome, welcome. This is your program. All the goodies right here, baby. Starting off with yours truly. Got an ashtray for King Weedy. Make sure you bring this. 421, baby. We got some Doob tubes, some DCMJ tips right here. You roll them doobies. One little massive DC as fuck slaps. Got some Mollies and some Capital Hemp magnets right here for your refrigerator. So when you go grab your munchies, baby. More and more slaps from everybody. More Molly slaps. Resist District of Columbia taxation without representation. Slaps galore, man, so you can stick everywhere on your car. The normal green shoelaces, man. We'd like you to show your support, please. Juicy javelin pins, baby. The raw tips and the raw sheets. NCF clipper lighter. We got the bowl right here from Geo Bowl, baby. That's how you work that. Hemp wraps from Juicy. Pink Fox's dab mat right here. Got a silicone. Some hemp whip. And right here. Need everybody to have this on 421. Your official NCF VIP member t-shirt, man. Sponsored by King Weedy. What more can I say, baby? NCF 421 18. This year, baby. Cypress Hill, Backyard Band, whole lot of other people. I'll be there. I hope you there. Let's get it.
Smoking on that dope should get me closer to the gods. I'm just blazing the kush when I'm trying to fight the odds. Balancing the scale as I'm trying to excel. Rolling woods in the back when it's time to exhale. Ain't got no time for a dime, it's not enough for my lungs. And if it's not the fattest nugs, then I don't want none. I need that sticky icky, had me coughing, looking dumb. Homeboys asking, boss, where you get that from? I tell them if the price is right, then you can get some. No whammy, no bushwhack where I come from. But you gotta come correct with your donation. You get the finest terpenes with them glistening trichomes. Delighted with Supreme Dro to blow in your home. Or phone up the homies cause it's too potent alone. Pre-roll funky piece real low with a bone rim. It really don't matter just as long as you get your blunt paper leaf and just roll up. Light a torch or the